I was stuck at 2 a.m., eyes burning, copy-pasting the same hey, just checking in, email. My Shopify tab screamed about abandoned carts. That night, fueled by desperation, I ran one simple ChatGPT prompt, went to bed, and woke up to 14 closed deals and $1,872 in extra sales before I even brushed my teeth. If you run an online store or freelance on the side and feel time is choking your growth, stick around.
I'm handing you the exact 5-step playbook that now automates 80% of my work and turned my side hustle into my main income.
2 years ago, my life was a relentless cycle. I was juggling a 9-to-5 I hated, a Shopify store, and freelance gigs after midnight. Every day felt like survival mode, mails, ads, rewrites, chasing clients, and barely enough time to breathe. My revenue hovered around $1,300 a month because I was always stuck in the urgent, never the important. Burnout hit hard. I was exhausted, running on a hamster wheel, going nowhere fast. One Friday, I saw a Reddit post about a guy using ChatGPT to book 30 calls overnight. I rolled my eyes, but desperation makes you curious. So, I opened ChatGPT and typed, "Act like a world-class growth marketer. My store sells printable planners to busy moms." I asked it for 10 abandoned cart emails. 30 seconds later, it wrote better copy than I'd paid $200 for. I pasted them into Flywheel, went to bed, and 48 hours later, boom, $487 in extra sales. That was my lightning bolt moment. AI wasn't a gimmick, it was leverage. Before you automate anything, you need one master prompt that knows your business inside out. I call it the business DNA. You define your product, customer, brand, voice, and dream outcome. Every time I use ChatGPT, I start with business DNA and paste it first. That one habit keeps every message sounding like Minota robot. With my business DNA ready, I automated the time-sucking tasks, descriptions, emails, customer service. I feed ChatGPT the product specs, ask for a short SEO paragraph, and it spits gold in seconds. I trained a free AI bot on my FAQ page. It handles "Where's my order?" before I even wake up. Refund requests dropped by 23% because the bot replied with empathy, and my cart recovery rate jumped from 18 to 31% on autopilot. For my freelance work, I built a system that runs while I sleep. ChatGPT browses LinkedIn jobs, finds the marketing head, and drafts personal pitches. Every morning, 15 fresh leads land in my inbox. I spend 10 minutes reviewing, then hit send. Before this, I worked 3 hours for one call. Now I get 2 or 3 daily with ease. After a client says yes, most freelancers move on, but not me. I let ChatGPT write one-page upsells for email flows, welcome, post-purchase, win-back. I drop that offer in the same Google Doc as their final delivery. No calls, no chasing. 60% of clients upgrade automatically. I also built what I call a topic tree.
I feed ChatGPT one keyword, like planner for mums, and it branches into 40 content ideas. A $5 VA polishes them and schedules posts weekly. My organic traffic exploded, from 1,200 to 11,000 visitors in 4 months, all compounding growth. By January, I quit my job. By April, I made $22,700 with a 28% profit margin. No fancy agency, no $2,000 courses, just ChatGPT, Zapier, and Gmail. It still feels surreal. But this is what happens when you trade effort for leverage. Smart systems beat hard grind every single time. AI is powerful, but not magic. Here are the traps most people fall into. Number 1, set it and forget it. Always review your AI output. Number 2, sounding robotic. Paste your business DNA first, then edit for your tone. Number 3, spamming people. Personalization wins trust. AI scales your work, but your humanity keeps it real. So that's the real AI trick. Stack smart prompts into repeatable systems. Turn chaos into clarity. Turn time into freedom. If I can flip a struggling side hustle into a 6-figure main income, so can you. Comment auto below to get my Notion toolkit and hit subscribe for more, because next I'm showing the exact Flywheel flows that print money while I sleep.